Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the reading type in the SmartTales application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page. And then if you scroll down a bit at the normal reading button, if you click on that, you can set the reading time to slow, and you can also set it to normal reading, whichever is more helpful for your kid. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.